The last core movement is the bicycle crunch. Now, this one, I want you to be especially cautious, especially if you have low bone mass or osteoporosis, or you have any compression fractures or neck issues. This one might not be the best choice for you. I personally really like this one, so I wanted to include it in the tutorial videos. So for the bicycle crunch, I like it because it works your entire core in one movement. You could just do it with your legs if you wanted to, if you really wanted to do this movement, but you had those neck issues or you have the low bone mass and you want to really reduce your risk for a compression fracture, you can just cycle your legs like this. And that is completely fine. Just draw in the low abs deep into the core. Try to flatten that low back against the floor. Now, to take that movement to the next level, what you're going to do is gently lift up, don't crank the neck, and you're going to do this movement. Side to side, alternating the knee with the elbow. You're getting obliques, you're getting upper core, you're getting lower core. I'm going to angle that just so that you can see that the higher my legs go, the easier it's going to be. The lower the legs go, the harder it's going to be. So these would be easier bicycle crunches. And as I go down, they get harder. Like that. If you have any questions about bicycles or bicycle crunches, please let me know.